Assalamualaikum. Today in our video we will discuss AI driven and AI native development. What these terms mean, how they differ and why they represent the future of building software. Now talk about the evaluation of AI. AI in software has evolved through three waves. First, predictive AI, using data to forecast and classify. Second, generative AI, models like GPT that create text, images, and code. Now the third wave, agentic AI, where system can take action, use tools, and complete steps goals. This shift towards autonomous tools using agent is the foundation for AI native development. Now, what is the difference between AI driven with AI native? AI driven development means we are building software the traditional way but using AI tools along the workflow. Things like code suggestions, document generation, text creation, or debugging. Now let's go to AI native development. Here, AI is not a helper, AI is a part of architecture itself. Applications are designed from day one with AI agents, AI pipelines, and AI reasoning as core components. The system assumes AI will act, decide, and collaborate. Now, what is the paradigm shifts in AI native systems? In AI native systems, development shifts from code-centric to spec-centric. Instead of manually writing every function, developer provide goals, constraints, capability, and evaluation criteria. AI agents handle large parts of implementation, testing, and refinements. Developer become orchestrator, supervising guidelines and correcting agents rather than typing everything themselves. Now, why it matters? These shifts matter because AI native development promises faster development cycle, lower human cognitive load, self-optimization system, and software that evolves over time instead of staying static. Teams that adopt AI native thinking can build features, products, and automation dramatically faster than before. To summarize, AI driven development enhances the old workflow, AI native development redefines it. As AI agent becomes more capable, the future of software will be built through specs, orchestration, and autonomous AI collaboration. Thanks for watching and explore the slides if you want to go deeper.